Okay. So to do 1 crore, no, in 3 months. I'm not saying it is not possible, but that much effort, are you ready to put?
Yeah, we will put. That's why I hired 2 person. No, instead of one, I hired two. Correct.
Okay.
We have to scale up. So it
Hmm.
is not. I'm not feeling that it is not possible. It is possible, but we have to work. See, because we have many options, like either courses we have, through courses we will get insurance, we will get investment options also. So that all like what you can, that is a byproducts we are telling. No, we can sell one and we can get more things.
Yeah, like total 1 lakh sales means it is a course, your course or like insurance product, mutual fund, like including
No,
everything you are doing.
at present including everything, because I got a sale of course only 20K. That is 15K initially, two people bought it, and like 5K recently last week, one person bought it. So then insurance. So that
So
is all
like,
together now 1 lakh. But I have at least like for all other things and all, like tools, that these and all, we have minimum 1 lakh expenses every month,
hmm,
right? So if we wanted to cover 1 lakh means at least we should earn at least per month basic minimum. What I'm talking is 10 lakh we have to earn. Correct.
okay. So like the 1 lakh revenue is including all or it is profit?
No, no, no.
It is
At
a
present, including revenue is okay. Not profit. Profit means I have to earn another 2 crores, right?
no. 1 lakh you said, no. Is it a profit or like it is total business turnover?
It is total business now, not profit.
Okay.
Because in I spend more than at present more than 2-3 lakh for courses, then like tools and all. But I have to recover that. Right, at present all went from my pocket, not without any earnings and all.
Like from past 12 years you are doing insurance and all, right?
No, that is only insurance, right? And I was doing part time, not full time. I was doing. I have done my PhD in between. At that
Hmm.
time, I was doing like part time, some business and all. Like last year, I was working even in one NGO. Then only after COVID-19, when all things were shut down, then I thought I have to completely focus on one field, because even I completed my doctorate at that time only. So then I was free from all the, even my children was very small, like they were 3 and 6. So even now, at least I can manage by going out, all those things and all. So then I thought, then I entered through these digital courses and all. Then it took almost 6 months to learn the things it up. Like in the sense, we were changing from, right? Digital courses means we are going from this person to that person, not
That will
not
happen.
finding anyone properly. We are
Yes.
taking courses of all. So that's
Yes.
why I almost, before day before yesterday only I was calculating. I was just spent almost 3 lakh rupees for courses itself.
I
Now
spent.
I have to like allocate time to learn and implement. That is the important thing. Otherwise, it was just
Hmm.
learning, and not implementing. It is no use, right?
Yes.
So that's why if I allocate my some of the works to Sanjay and Jovita, I can concentrate on like a video recording, and like I have to complete 4 courses also in my second level. Six I already completed. Four it is there. So that I have to complete by this month and before my workshop. 24th, 25th we have applied for this one. Kept a timetable for workshop. No, before that I have to complete that 4 courses, then I can sell that courses to my next level.
Okay.
So that is my target now.
Okay. So I want you to divide it by month, like monthly. What is this month target?
Hmm.
Okay. If you want to do 1 crore, like every day, how much you have to do? Like per month, you how much you have to do, right?
Correct.
So you can write that down. and you can tell me in the next meeting. Okay.
Yes.
From future, we will create.
Hmm?
So what is sales? Like anything you know about sales? Like what is sales? Sales means what? Today we are having sales training, right? So can you tell me what is sales? Sales means what? Anybody? You can try. You can tell whatever, not nothing right or wrong. Whatever is there, you can tell.
Sales means convincing the customer to buy our product or service.
Okay. Anything else?
Whichever way, in whatever the way,
Hmm.
we have to convince customer to buy our product
Hmm.
by telling whatever the reasons, whatever the butterflies, rainbows, adding everything. We have to sell the product.
Hmm.
That is sales.
Okay. How about Joita? Like what is sales? What is your opinion or view about sales?
Your voice is not audible.
Not audible?
Yeah, now it's audible.
Okay.
Poor connection.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So what is your view on sales? Like what is sales?
Giving some information about our product to the customers, selling our products to the customers by requesting them or telling them about the information about the products.
Okay. Maria, what is your view on sales?
Sales means we have to get customer by giving value or product like services. We have to make them comfortable to buy our services.
Mhm. Okay. So anybody check in the dictionary what is their sales means? In Google you can check. Can you type Jovita in Google? What is sales? Sales means.
The activities involved in selling goods or services.
Sales are activities related to selling or the number of goods sold in a given target time period. The delivery of a service for a cost is also considered a sale. I got this.
Okay. So and also another statement will be there like anything you exchange of money, like anything you are giving in exchange of money, that is also called sales. So like right now, which context we are saying, no? Like Sanjay told, like the sales is like convincing people we have to do. That is one context. Okay. Another point of view is like giving the value, right? Another point of view is Joita said what you said, Joita?
Giving the information about the product.
Yeah, giving the information about the product, right? So I want to create a new context for sales. Okay. Sales is not only like in any product or service, sales will happen in everyday life. Okay. Says like if you want to enroll your mother for something, you want to buy something, or you want to go to college, you want a fees. Mom is not ready to pay. You have to sell yourself, enroll her to give the money to your college, right? Exchange of money, like you will selling yourself, like you are like I will do the PhD and I will make it great, or I will earn this much of income, or I will create my future better. Something you are telling her, you are selling yourself, like I will make something out of it. So give me money. Right? So sales is there in every aspect of life. If you are a good salesperson, your relationship with people will be wonderful. And if you start convincing, like if you convince somebody, we can't convince anybody. Okay. And when we go in the mode of convincing somebody, it will become like hectic, or it will become like, oh, I don't want to do the sales. Sales is very difficult. Okay. In that context, sales will become very difficult. Like we have to do the sales. When you say you have to, it will create automatic pressure in the language patterns. So anything you tell I have to do, no, automatically it will create pressure in mind. Or if you tell somebody you have to do this, it will create pressure in their mind as well. It is like dominating somebody, right? So what will be the new context? Like sales is simple, like we are giving some value or some solution. Okay. So somebody is selling the washing machine. Okay. So it is solving one problem. Like people who don't want to wash by themselves, like they want help. So sales is like you are helping somebody to do something better in their life. Maybe you can make them smile, you can make them happy, or you can by giving the insurance, you can secure their families, or giving the mutual fund, you can make their finances better. Okay. So whatever we are doing, it is to help somebody. So some improvement we can do in their life, or some betterment we can do by creating the awareness. We were like convincing is the different thing, different view. Like creating the awareness is different thing. Like educating, creating the awareness, okay, and understanding their problem. So best salesman is who listen to the customer. Okay. So salesman doesn't mean like the people who talk a lot, they will not be a good salesman. The salesman will be best salesman will be listening more, or asking questions, like listening more, like what really the customer wants, right? Otherwise, what will happen? No, credit card, you will get movie ticket, right? You will get airport loan or something like that discount ready. You can cash discount. You will get that. You will get this. You will get everything. They will tell. They will not ask like what kind of credit card you are looking for. Are you having the credit card? Like what customer really want, right? Huh. Any other calls like you hate? Can you tell me like which calls, like sales calls you hate? You don't want to pick, or you run away from sales calls? What kind of sales calls? Sanjay, Jovita, anything you experience, you can tell. Huh?
What I got is means, I registered my name in Kannada matrimony for my cousin, for in search of some for I registered for him,
Hmm.
and after that he didn't, means he refused everyone. He is not interested, willing to marry, and now they would call every week, every month, 4 to 5 times they will call, and they will take hi sir, what happened, you didn't subscribe for next time. They will call again and again, and I would get annoyed when I'm in some other work. They will call me in different with a different number, and also by different people they will call, and I have to tell, no, I got a call from your company. I talk to them. I have to tell like again and again.
Mm. Okay. So what they are doing, like why you don't like the call?
I don't like the calls means because
Because
now I'm not interested in that, because earlier with as my
yeah,
mom said, register to search some girl for him. So I registered, but he is not at all accepting any lady. So now stop for subscribing that. They would give a call often now and then, again and again, to disturb me.
okay. So in this call, what you observe, like what is happening in this call? Like you unsubscribe from the that, okay, and
Yes.
you are getting the call. When you get the call, what they will tell first?
They will introduce themselves, and they will tell, sir, what happened? Why didn't you subscribe for next time? You will get definitely a good girl. Please, sir. Again, sir, take our subscription. Like this, they will tell.
Okay. So what they are doing is like they are not understanding. Like already you are unsubscribed, right? Right.
Yes.
So
Yes.
when you are already unsubscribed, if I am calling you, you are unsubscribed. Like what I should tell you, or you are in her place, what you will tell?
Means I'm in the place of them.
Like you are the matrimony guy, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Consider I am the person who unsubscribed,
Okay.
okay? You
I
will
will
call
tell
me.
about. Then now I will tell about any new offers, any new special features in the app, or few examples who got easily married and they are happy now, and a few people with good names in the society, like celebrities who they got selected, means they married through our matrimony. I will tell like this, anything.
Okay. So what happens? No, like what you are telling, no, same thing he is also telling, right?
Yes. Yes.
So it is not matching. Like what customer wants and what he is telling is not matching.
Okay.
Here, customer don't want the service. He's not interested.
Yes.
He's already unsubscribed. So if you
Yes.
want to enroll him, you have to tell like first we have to know like is it needed or not? First we have to ask, right? Like why you
Yes.
are unsubscribed? Like are you interested to continue, or are you got the like girl, or your marriage has been done, or like what is the intention you can subscribe? If I ask you, you will tell something about it, right?
Yes. Yes.
Then if you are interested, then I can continue the conversation. Or else I have to
Yes.
request you, like I will take 1 minute, I have wonderful offer. I will tell you, if you are interested, let me know. Otherwise, I will not call you and trouble you. If I tell you that, then you will speak little bit, right?
Yes. Yes.
So otherwise,
Yes.
if I am telling about the future, like new plan, that, this and all, like you will not listen actually. You may be in the call, but you will not listen to the call. What you will say in head, like why these people are again and again they are calling, right?
Yes.
I already unsubscribed, right? And like mom said or somebody else said that I did something which is not working, right? Something else you will be thinking.
Yes.
Okay.
That
So anything else you want to ask? Anything you want to say? Like what in
nothing
this
else.
conversation, what you got?
Means to know the interest of the customer first.
First thing is important to understand the customer,
Okay.
right? If you understand the
Yes.
customer, then only we can sell some product or services,
Yes.
right? Insurance also, you
Yes.
can tell about the benefit of the insurance, or you can ask like what really they are dealing with, what they have, right? What is their family, like which will be the best for them.
Yes.
If you go in that direction, it will be like solving the problem for the person,
Okay.
okay? And you are understanding them so that how you can help them better way. Or another way is like telling the features, calling them like this is the wonderful insurance, it will give you 1 crore benefit, it will double in 5 years, 6 years, you will get the money back, right? It is good for children, right?
Yes.
So if I tell that, I don't know what customer is, like he is married or not, we don't know. He has a kid or not, we don't know. If you don't know anything about the customer, if you don't understand his or her requirement, then sales will become very hectic. Like when people will like say sales, no, they will run away. Like insurance, they will run away. Like insurance people are like behind me, right? You heard like this, right?
I was thinking of that. Like insurance people come, like they come home and they say about the insurance, like about one product only, and they will not vacate the house without like we enroll to them. It is what I have heard about that.
Okay. So that is what happens. Like people like they don't know about you. You will not understand the person, what is requirement, what is problem. As a solution, if you give, it will be wonderful for you also, for them also. If you want to sell something, no matter what he is dealing with, I want one sale. Then what will happen? You will start forcing them, chasing them, like you are running behind them, right? And pressurizing them, right? Then one sale happens, right? And also it will create an image like, oh, whenever the person comes, no, you will avoid them. Like, oh, he will like, I will go away, right? So it will create a certain image in that if you do that kind of a sale. Another sale is like experts will do, doctors, like if some person comes to his clinic, he will first ask them like what is the symptom, right? He will not give you any medicine like when customer like any patient comes, he will not give any tablets like take this is a wonderful tablet, it will help you. Then he will not tell all that. What he will tell, he will tell like what is happening, like is there headache or stomach pain is there, or he will check in certain way, right? He will ask everything about the patient, like what is happening really, what is the issue. He will try to find out, figure out the problem, and he will give one tablet as a solution. So then he is also doing the same. The insurance guy is also doing the same. But in this doctor, what he is selling, he will get the respect. Okay. And also customer has the satisfaction, like he will love to go for, if anything required, he will love to go there. Or in here, if you find the person, we want to go away from them. So in the like doctor doing the sales is very, he is also happy, customer is also happy. Okay, here customer is also worried and salesperson is also like running behind when he is also not like feeling great. So in every sales you have to build the relationship first. When you build the relationship, then we can understand them. When you build the relationship with them, you can understand them better, then you can give the solution to them. Like if the person is, only one person is earning the money in the family. Yes, do you need break?
1 minute.
Yeah, fine. Hi, what is that? What is his name?
Yan. Hangge, jadi reset kita. Hangge. सांग तुझं नाव काय सांग.
Sound करण्याचं का?
Okay, hi.
He is
Great,
getting
great.
confused now. Everyone's laptop you are seeing.
Okay, Sanjay is busy. He's doing anything.
Huh?
Sanjay.
Huh?
Sanjay is busy.
I was drinking water.
Yeah, fine. Okay. So in this conversation, what you got? Like what kind of a sales you want to do?
I didn't understand.
Like I told about two salespersons.
Just like a doctor, I want to do the sales.
Right. So as a doctor, you want to sell, you want to solve the problem of the customer, right? So to solve the problem of the customer, first thing what you have to do?
Understand the customer.
Before
Okay.
understanding the customer, what you have to do?
We have to request customers to whether he is free to speak something, to listen something, and we have to introduce ourselves and tell our product, and what he needs we have to listen to him, and
So first
once
thing,
he
no?
is required of something.
Yeah, first thing what we have to do is build a relationship. We will not
Yes.
tell anything about the product.
Okay.
If we have the relationship, then we can understand them. Product is last thing. Product is final. If you build a relationship, if you understand their problems, okay, then you can suggest a solution.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Or else it will become the sales guy, like insurance sales guy. Randomly he will come, he will sell. Like take, buy this, this is wonderful, buy this, buy this, buy this, buy this. Behind you.
Yeah, they
Like
will
buy
talk
one
about
insurance.
relationship. Like some people are like relations who are there in LIC or insurance. They will come and they'll tell about the relationship first, then ask about the relationship. Where are you from and connection they will do. Then they will start to tell about the insurance and all.
Yes. So like we will be calling the new customers. Okay. We don't know them, right? First we will take a small survey, like what is your name? Like we will help you in financial planning. Okay. And also you can ask few detail like what they are doing, what their profession, right? And what the challenges they have in finance, right? Somebody is coming to our course or some leads we will get, like we can ask them what challenges you have, like financial, what kind of financial planning you are looking for, or do you have already, right? Or what they are doing, like about their family, do they have kids, anything little bit. We will try to understand them, we'll try to build a relationship, and we will invite them for our training session first. We'll take a small survey, we'll build the relationship, and we'll invite them to, like they are already came for the training, right? So when they click on Facebook ad, they it means that they are interested in training, right? So we are calling, like this is what we are doing, like we can invite them for the training and tell them the timings, like are you available, like schedule fully, okay, it will give you a huge value, okay, it will help you to get financial freedom. So little bit you can tell about the things, right? That is the only we are building the relationship in the first call, and we are inviting them to, like they are already registered and we are inviting them to attend the session. Okay, and call should be like as a friendly call, it is not like we are want to sell something, we are not interested in selling, we are interested in like their problem, solving the problem. Anything in life, no, it is all about solving the problem. Maybe you are doing accounting, you are doing the job, means you are solving some problem, right? Mariam can't handle all the things, so you are helping her to manage by taking some accountability, you are helping, right? CEO, or if you go to any other, if you take care of the finances, accountability, accountancy, you are helping somebody, he can't do the accounting job, so he want somebody to help him, like he has a problem, like he can't handle, so what you will do, you will go and help them to manage the finance, that's how you will contribute to them. Okay, and also I don't believe in like owner and employee, I don't believe in hierarchy, like everyone is important, even if he is cleaning, he is very important, if he doesn't clean, we can't work actually, right? He has some accountability, I have some accountability, as a owner I have some accountability, as an employee he has some accountability, it doesn't mean that owner is big and he is small, it is not like that. Okay, everybody equally responsible for their accountabilities. If you are making the call, you are fully responsible, you are the owner of that. It is not like Mariam is the owner, you are the employee. Okay, you are also owner of the accountability, you are also part of it, till you work, the duration you work, you are the owner of the that accountability you are handling. I want you to take the ownership. Okay, so it is not like when you take the ownership, no, you will grow. Initial days I worked as a sales, for me how is sales, like company is there, I am a sales boy. Okay, I will do my sales job, they want sales, if they tell 100 sales, I will do 50 sales, then I will sleep for 15 days. Okay, 15 days we will work, 15 days we will reach 50 sales, then in another 15 days we will sleep, go home, go to movie, run around. Okay, so because like it is not mine, it is somebody else's, I am doing some job here. So when I am doing that, if they pressurize me, like do some sales is really needed, then I will do another 25 sales, and I will tell them like what is in our mind. No, if I do more sales, they will ask more sales. They will demand more. They will ask more. Why the headache? Let it be. I will do 50. If they ask, I will do another 25. Aram se I will sit and I will do. This was the context I was operating. So what happens in that context I operate? No, our growth will be very low. We will not grow. We will not get the opportunities. We think that like I want good opportunities. I want the higher job, higher pay. But what will happen in that mindset? You will not grow as an employee mindset. If you have the owner mindset, then you will grow faster. Like in 10 years, what I grown, no, nothing. And when I take the ownership, I will grow more than 10 years in 1 year. My growth was huge when I take the ownership. And also when I am in sales, I am learning new things about sales. Everything I am doing, no, my relationship will get better with my mother, with my sister, or my sister kid. So now with my sister kid, I can enroll him to do anything. But my sister struggle to do that. Sister will be like telling him like she is worried, like why the hell he is doing like that. My mother will be shouting at him, but he will not do the work. But because of I learned the sales technique and all, like I can easily make him do something they are struggling to do. So the sales is very important in your future growth as well. When you learn the sales, it will help you in attending the interviews. In future, if you want to go to the next level, you have to be very good in speaking, communication, right? Otherwise, you will not grow. Because 10 years I didn't grow. Very little bit here and there I grown. I didn't learn anything about sales. Even though I am in sales, in depth we didn't learn about anything much. Whatever they are doing, telling, I will do some work. My job is done. I will go home. Right. So you have to create a future for yourself, like where you want to go, and are you ready to in sales? If you make a call, your communication will improve. Okay, and you are giving the interview, understanding the human being, right? Everything will improve in sales. So don't take sales job as a like oh, sales is very bad, like it is. Don't take that way. Sales is the wonderful thing. You can make anything out of it. If you know sales, you can get a high paying job. Any job you select, you can get the very high paying job if you are expert in sales. If you are expert in sales, you can handle team very easily. And everywhere you go, whatever job you do, everywhere human beings are there. If you can handle the human beings very well, then your life will become very easy. So sales, if you learn, it will help you in all the directions. If you like management position, any position, you have to handle the team, right? To handle the team, you have to enroll them to do something. You have to sell yourself. Everybody have different future, right? Like I worked somewhere, I had different future. Like I came here, I worked in multiple organizations. Like Jovita has a different future, right? Sanjay has a different future, right? But what you will learn in this time, that will help you in other your careers. So you can do the sales for your personal development. You can do the sales for understanding the people and helping them to solve their problem. By doing the sales, you will be contributing to the one company, okay? And one entrepreneur growth, you will helping to one entrepreneur growth, and automatically you will be contributing to the India. You are contributing. Like if you do the good sales, many people will come because of you. Jovita did a great job. Sanjay did a great job. Then because of you two people, 10 people will get the employment. Many people are searching for job right now. Many lost the job, right? So you can help many people in your like whatever you are doing. And also it is important like whatever you are doing, that is also important, right? If you are working here 5 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, fully dedicate and do the work, and also you take care of like what is your future, how much time you are spending there. So simultaneously if you grow, like your future will become very bright. So I want you to schedule like whatever you want to contribute in the well to life organization, whatever you want to contribute for your family or whatever your vision, right? So how you are going to accomplish that, what is the future plan, that is what shapes your present. So you can share like what you are getting from this conversation, any new things you are getting, or like what is the your context. Yes,
To
Sanjay, you can tell like, what is your take away from this conversation.
from this conversation, I learned how to do sales means taking it as our own business. What should be the business means in the below the line in in 3 months, 4 months, how should be this business? How should what should be the turnover of our business? We should take up initiative. We should learn new things, and we have to try to improve the sales. And if we do sales, it is not the salary what we get. It will be very much helpful to our personal life also. That's it.
Right, Jovita.
Yeah, same as Sanjay.
Hmm?
As same as Sanjay.
Okay, anything else you want to add?
We learn like how should we deal with the customers, them, and build relationship, and invite for the training session, and all the steps to the business.
Okay. So and also you can think about like how many people you will give the employment. If you do 10 lakh sales, you can give a job for another person, or 5 lakh sales, like maybe you can give employment for another person, right? So if you do 1 crore business, you can give the employment for 10 people, right? And what will happen by doing that, you will be the part of India's growth, the organization growth, also the city growth, right? So I want you to think in that level, like the every action of yours matters, because if you one person can get the freedom for us, right? So one person can do anything, right? So what level you think, that much you will grow in life. Okay. So have a vision and create a bright future for yourself also and for the company also. Okay. And anything else you need? We will have next week also training,
Okay.
or anything you, if any support you need or any calls you are doing, like when you start the work, no, it will be like, it will not go easy. Anything you start new, no, it will become very hard initially. Any job or anything you do, it will become very hectic, hard. So when you do it consistently, it will become very easy. And always the default context will come. Like the insurance guy was selling, no, or doctor was selling. The insurance guy is selling, that is automatic. Automatically we will do the sell sales like that. But the doctor, you have to create a context for that, and we have to create in that. That is the created context. Like created context, can you tell me something about created context? What you understand?
So regarding what?
Created context.
Like a doctor. Is it like doctor?
Like context is something like context is background of something.
I didn't understand.
Like context is the background, like where we operate. Like you can operate like I want one sale. I will like I will do one sales, or I will solve one problem. Both are context. If you keep in mind like I want one sale, then your actions will be like give me one sale, like you will request like give me one sale, I promised I want one sale, do something, give me one sale. Or you have to take it right now, like you will run behind. Okay. So what gives that action is the context, like I want one sale. If your context keep in background, if you want one sale, then your actions will shape that. Or you can keep a context of like I want to solve the problems of the human beings, I will help them by providing the insurance. So whatever work you do, that is one context. Okay, when you are having that context, I want to help people, then the way you speak to the people, the way you do the sales, it will be very different.
It's like aim.
Hmm?
Is it like aim?
Aim. Yeah, it is the context, means like it is not exactly as aim. It is the we are creating. It is a created future. Like aim is a end result. What is the context of that? What is your aim? Tell me. You are want to become a financial expert or finance accountant expert, right? Why you want to become financial expert or a financial accounting expert?
Yeah, to serve other people, sir. Know more about it.
Hmm?
To serve them, like
So why is the context? Okay.
I didn't get about context, proper meaning.
Yeah, context means like goal is the result. Like I want to become this. Okay. Why you want to become that? That is the context. If Gandhiji, I want to get the freedom for the people, that is the context. Then he will take action, something like that. Right? If the context of Gandhiji was like I want to do my law job, I will take care of myself, then his actions will be different. His goal, what is his goal is he want to do the lawyer job and he want to earn money, right? The context is earning money and taking care of myself. Context will be my taking care of myself. Okay, I am doing my job. Country, let it be country who somebody will take care. I am not going to take care. Okay. Before, like when he become a freedom fighter, what was the his context was like I will bring freedom to everybody. That was the context, right? Like that only I want one sale. Like you can request, you can convince, you can run behind them, call them again and again, get one sale, right? Like getting one sale is the context, then that's how it will be. It will be very painful. People will hate that kind of sale. Or if is the context is I want to solve the problem of a human being, I want to contribute. If that is the context, then your actions will be different. Then you will say like I want to help 10 people by giving the insurance to them. I will secure 10 families, right? Anybody know the one person died and their family came to road? Anybody heard that story in your life anywhere? One person died, the family came to the road. Or one person died, all the properties, everything they lost. Have you heard this kind of stories in your surroundings or anywhere? Sanjay?
Arshad Mehta story, I would like to remember.
No, in your surrounding, normal people.
My surrounding,
Somebody
I
passed
don't
away,
remember.
they don't have anything, they are struggling to eat,
In my relatives or my, uh,
right? Or somebody passed away, they like loan people came and throw them out of the house. This kind of stories every day happens in surrounding, right? By providing the term insurance, you are solving their family like issue, or you are solving their like security issue, like who will take care of the family after the only one person is the earning in the family, three people he is taking care. If he is not there, what will happen? Other people, they will come to road or their future gets spoiled. Like my father passed away when I was in SSLC. When I was in SSLC, my father passed away. After that, we lost his business, his money, everything we lost. We didn't add a 1 rupee to pay 500 rupees fees. Even 500 rupees fees I didn't add. After FUC, I left the school, college. I was a science student. Even though like I took got like after that, like we are having heavy issues. We are not able to pay 500. Even though I study in science also, there is no future, right? So I stopped studying. I failed. My education got discontinued. After that, I struggled for 10 years to again come back to the position where we are. The standard of living. Standard of living decreased like this, right? So if somebody has given the insurance, so it will not happen. Like you are helping that kind of a people, right? So when you go in that context, then you will feel happy about your work. When you feel happy about your work, you can, the customer also feel happy about health insurance, anything you are selling, like it will helping some people. Okay. So you should be strong. Like I will help people. I will not sell on policy or something to you. You should be clear. So when you are speaking, like if that is the context, the way you speak, it will completely different. If a person says, I don't want insurance, I am not here to sell the insurance for you, boss. Tell me, I will understand your financial. If I have better solution, I will give you the solution. I don't want to sell you insurance. Don't want to run behind you. That is not the thing I am doing. Yes, I am selling the insurance, but I am not like running behind the people, buy this, buy this. That kind of sales I am not doing. If I can help you because of me, some betterment will happen to the person's life, then I am there. You can tell that. That is like you are like proud whatever you are doing, you are proud about it, and you are communicating that way. Or else you can sell like buy the one insurance. It is like begging, like buy, please buy one insurance. I want target. You can do both, right? You can try both. If you are not tried anything in sales, you can try both. You will find which one you love and which one give the better result and satisfaction, right? So this is what about context, context is altered. Like what you thought about the sales, anything altered where you are, what is your experience right now? Or you can share like before, like I don't want to do the sales is very thing, like insurance sales, that guy say, by seeing that guy I don't want to do the sales anymore, but because of I have some issues, financial issues, or I have some commitment, I am doing this. That way you came, or what shifted, anything shifted or anything you see new in the conversation?
Here, also we working regarding that.
No, in this conversation, like anything shifted in your mind, like anything, like how you think about the sales before and how you think about sales right now?
Means here insurance sales means it is not about sales. We are working, yes, we are well helping for the people, those who purchase insurance. Like that. It will be very much beneficiary for them, and it will be very helpful for them. We can think in that context, and we can sell.
Okay, Jovita. So like right now, are you interested to do the sales?
Yeah.
Right? So that is what is required. Like if you are not interested in something doing, no, then it will impact your peaceful happiness. Like end of the day, if you are or not, you are successful or not. End of the day, if you are happy, that is a great life, right? Even though if you earn 1 crore, if you are not happy, then there is no point in earning that. Even though if you don't earn 1 rupee, if you are happy, end of the day, it is worth living. That is what I practice. Okay. So I want you to love whatever you do and
Oh,
make it as a stepping stone for your success. Maybe your success, like you are not going to do the sales job in future, but this sales should help you in your interviews. If you are training some people or if you are handling large group of people, this sales will help you there, right? So this sales is basic for everything. This is the foundation for every job you do, because if you communicate well, you will get the high paying jobs. If you communicate well, you will get the scholarship. If you communicate well, you will get the money from parents, right? Or if you communicate well, your relationship with people will become better. So it's all about communication and helping people. So I want you to start sales in that context or that view. Okay, are you ready?
yes.
I am not saying it will be easy. It will be like maybe many challenges will come. Anything you start, challenges will come. Any new thing you do, it will seems difficult initially. So you have to face the challenges and failures, then only you will accomplish something. Okay. And also I want you to take specific time for like whichever domain you want to go. If you want to go Facebook video editing, take one. Don't take all, take one. At least 2 3 hours you are spending time on that, or 4 hours you are spending time on that aspect, like video or Facebook ads, whichever your interest is. At least spend 3 hours, 4 hours apart from the job. Maybe same like video editing, you will do some job in the office as well, but separately you have to use the times. If you want to become expert in that, you have to give separate time for that. Or in finance, if you want to do something, you have to do 2 3 hours every day, you have to put effort other than job. If you're doing job also, you have to do that at least 2 hours every day. If you put some efforts, if you do something new, no, every day 2 hours also, you spend 1 hour also. If you spend in 1 year, you will be spending 365 hours. If you spend 365 hours on that, your future will be available for you sooner. Maybe 5 years, 2 years, 3 years, what you want, you will get it in 1 year. Anything you can learn by spending 1 hour. You have to consistently, you have to give for your personal growth, your growth. So I want you to schedule. Okay, I want you to grow personally as well as professionally, and also you want to grow like your vision. What is your, where you want to go? So at least 1 hour you can give other than job. So then you will become expert in that domain, or else you will not become expert. Why you should become expert? Can somebody tell me why you should become an expert?
expert to get new ideas, creative ideas, or to get the best results.
And experts are highly respected, highly paid. Expert means he will solving the bigger issues. Like general doctor will be there, or one surgeon will be there, surgeon or a specific person, neurologist, right? Who will get paid higher? Neurologist, right? So in finance or in your whatever you do, if you become expert in that, you will get premium, you can charge premium. Or else if you do general thing like everyone are doing, then you can't ask money. So in finance, you have to become expert. Sachin Tendulkar, what he is good at?
Cricket.
He is good at only hitting the ball, not good at cricket. He is not good at cricket. He is only good at hitting the ball. He know how to hit the ball. That's what he practiced for an entire his life. Right? Like that, you have to select one thing. And you have to practice daily. Daily hit the ball. Like daily 1 hour, whatever your vision, future in 5 years, 3 years, what you want to do, daily 1 hour you can hit the ball. Then you will accomplish whatever you want. You will become expert in that. Right? So you have to choose which one you want to hit. Video editing or Facebook, or like everything has a future. If you want to become expert in video, you have to take on that. If you want to become expert in Facebook, you can take on that. Because multiple things you can't do. It will not work. Or if you till you become expert in one thing, you should not touch another thing. Anything else? Any questions you have regarding sales or anything?
No, as of now.
Okay, Maria, anything else you need? Like till now, you are not audible. Tell me.
Yeah. Now the basic concept they understood. I think. Now I think exactly according to our context, what we have to tell or what should be our conversation with the students or whoever enrolling to our like by seeing ad, what they have to do after they come in, after they purchase. That if you just tell them, like not maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe we can take
So
in the one
let them
hour.
start the calls. Okay.
Huh?
After starting the call, within 2 days we can have another call. Another half an hour session we can have the mock, because they didn't had any calls. I can't coach them. Right?
I didn't get Satish.
Yeah, like till now they have not done any calls, right?
Correct.
So let them start the calls. Okay.
Okay.
So in that only we are building. We will say hello. How are you? Like thank you for registering to our financial freedom course. Okay. Welcome. We can tell them. Like, can you tell me something about yourself so that we can help you better? We can give a better solution for you. Are you married? Are you like how what are you doing? Like what job, what profession you are into? Or if wife, then husband, what husband is doing? Do you have a child? How long you married? 2, 3 questions. So we will get the personal and professional details. Okay, then we can ask what financial challenges you have, like what is your goal, finance goal you have, how we can help you, like what really, if you tell me, I can help you, right? If they don't tell, I can't help them. Or if they don't, if they are not ready to share anything, tell them it's fine. If you don't share, it's fine. Come to our session, you find out, you will get many ideas about financial freedom, the secrets and truth about the finance market, right? So we can tell them the dates, this time is this is happening. Okay, are you providing the recording? If they are not able to come, are you giving them the recording, right? If they are not coming, if they are not able to attend, then we will tell them we will give you the recordings. So please go through that. Okay. After completing, we will have another conversation. Okay. If you have any queries, anything, after the completion of the meeting, we will have another call or something we can tell. So let them do the calls, whatever leads we got, let them do the calls, understand about them, right? Just take the review. There is no sales, we are not doing any sales here. Okay, only we are interested in what understanding them and inviting them to, like, they are registered for the program, come to the program. That's all. We are trying to understand their vision, their goals. That's all. Then we will think about how we can help them. That everything we will write it down. Customer name, like what is his profession, like what is his personal status, married, single, how many kids you have. If they tell, we can enter that. And like what is their like goal, what challenges they have in finance, like how long they are working, what challenges, like if they are not able to save or grow their money, or they invested somewhere else but they can't take the money, or anything, what, like any bad experiences with money, investing, anything happened, right? So generally as a friend we are talking to them. So let them start the calls. After that we will have a call again. After two 3
Okay.
days we can have the another call. We will have the mock as well at that time. Okay,
Okay.
so anything if you require, you can tell me.
Okay, maybe Wednesday we can have another call. Let them call tomorrow.
Tomorrow is Wednesday.
Tomorrow is Wednesday.
Oh, Thursday.
Fine, Thursday we can have half an hour call and we can just have the mock, right?
Okay.
Half an hour, 1 hour is fine. We can have the mock or something.
Yes, yes.
Okay, anything else?
Nothing.
So I want you to create a future right now, like what, like when you want to accomplish whatever in personal life, in professional life. Okay, and every day what action you are going to take. So write down. Will if you have any challenges, you can tell me. Okay, maybe it's personal or professional or whatever your vision or anything. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, great, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, sir.
Thank
Okay, great.
Yeah. Maybe day after tomorrow you can teach us even how to take the Excel sheet of attendees and all, like whoever registered in Facebook. See, some
it
only
is,
some people are
it will be in ConvertKit.
in ConvertKit. Huh? Okay.
Like if I click on the, if you log into ConvertKit, if you click on that, automatically they will send you. Automatically you'll get the mail.
No, I didn't get a mail. That day maybe you clicked and that day I got a mail.
You can log in and just click like all the subscribers, unsubscribers, subscribers, the list. If you select and click, no, you will get automatically email.
Okay, whenever
Yes.
I'm doing, I'll call you. Okay.
Fine, you can call me.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you for
Thank you so
listening to me. Okay, giving me an opportunity to speak. Okay.
Yeah.
If you need anything, we
Thank
can support you. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Great. Have a great future. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.